It is my honor to welcome all of you. Thank you so much, dear friends and family, for joining us. On behalf of Paul and Joy, Marie, myself, and of course, Cassidy and Keith Woodman. Thank you so much for being here to celebrate two amazing human beings who are so much better together. I remember when Cassidy was graduating from JMU, she found a job in foster services, which I think has turned out to be an opportunity for her to meet a young, tall, handsome Marine.
My sister is beautiful, kind, passionate, and funny. She has amazing friends who have welcomed me as one of their own. Most of all, today she is happy. This is the happiest I've ever seen her. She makes her people know that she is there, and she loves them. She is everything to everyone. It is always everyone first.
I remember when Keith first told me about Cassidy. I could see the sparkle in his eyes and the crackle in his voice. I knew right then and there that Cassidy was something special.
She will always be there for you when you need her. She will always make you smile when you're sad, and you will fondly remember every moment you spent with her.
Keith and I have been pals for 16 long years, and I can firmly say that Keith is the best kind of friend. Not just a friend, but a brother that I can always rely on. Everyone has that one friend that makes you feel right at home. That's Keith.
No matter what came, I knew Cassidy had someone who was there for her as much as she was always there for me. Keith, I love you for loving my sister so perfectly. I love you for seeing everything that she is and not just taking it in stride, but celebrating it.
Keith, you're my best friend and I love you. You've been the template that I based all my friendships, work relationships. I love my job. I have dozens of friends, and it's all because of you.
I can say with confidence that you two are meant to be. Your love story is one for the books, and I'm honored to have witnessed it from the beginning. I am so happy for you both, and I know your marriage will be filled with love, laughter, and endless adventures. I am grateful to have you both in my life, and I can't wait to see what the future holds for you.
Get turned around.
Oh no. That is so, it's perfect for you. You were.
Thanks. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great.
Good.
I'm glad I didn't have to get up at 6 in the morning. When you walked into my life, it was a magical evening when I stole my last chair from you, the beautiful woman standing in front of me. I will treasure that forever. Our first trip together really set the tone for how amazing you are and how amazing we are together. You give me the strength to be the best that I can be. So look at us now. Today I join my life with yours officially. Not only as your partner, but as your best friend, your lover, your confidant. I promise you my unconditional love, tenderness, and undying devotion. Let me be the shoulder you lean on, the companion of your life. Words cannot describe the amount of joy you bring to my life. When you smile, I feel a level of accomplishment you wouldn't begin to understand, so I hope you are ready for a lifetime of smiles. I promise to you to watch over you, strive to keep a smile on your face for all the days to come. Give me your every day, and I will give you love to make it all right. You are my dream come true, and I can't wait for the reality we get to build together.
I love you. As I think about our relationship, one memory floods back to me so vividly. It's not our first date, our the first night that we met. We were newly dating and we just talked for hours. I was surprised at how open I was able to be so soon. I knew that in that moment that our relationship would be impactful. Now I know that I was falling in love with you. As I stand here, I still feel that same peacefulness. You are my strength and you are my safety. You have every piece of my heart. All that I have left to give you is my time. I promise to give you the rest of my time and spend every moment loving you. No matter what this life brings us, no matter the season, I am at ease because we will have each other. Today I promise to keep building with you. I promise to put you and our family first. I promise to show up for you every day and be the best partner that I can be. I promise to love you for who you are and all you will become. I choose you today, tomorrow, and every day after. I am so proud that I get to call you my husband.
By the power invested in me by the American Marriage Ministries and recognized in all 50 states except Virginia, it is my joyful responsibility to officially acknowledge and proclaim your union as husband and wife.
This feels like growing up. This feels like two kids making it up. This feels like growing up. This feels like two friends falling in love. This feels like two friends. This feels like two friends falling in love. This feels so human. This feels like two friends falling in love.
So here's to the past for the choices and the chances that have brought you together and all that you've learned. Here's to the present for all that you have and you share. And here's to the future for all that you have to look forward together in your journey together. Cassidy and Keith, I love you both. Family and friends, raise your glasses and toast to Cassidy and Keith.